Okay. There we go. Okay, so it's been a hot minute. Went outside and walked the dog, so hair got a little wet, which, you know, there's the brakes. Get some tunes going from Techno Axe. And so yeah, so while that was happening, we also got a freshly trained model, my friends. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So and then no, okay. We are going to go ahead, mistral find out. Suspicious. It didn't copy the README file. I'm confused. Mistral. Okay. Yeah. The one from the evening as our fancy README file. Yeah, and let's go take a look at how things performed. So, training loss. Okay, validation loss is much higher. But, you know, this is because we've got actual data this time. So, yeah, that kind of makes sense. Before, the model could very reasonably generalize to like some garbage. But here, you know, once again, it looks like honestly after Epoch 2 things started to go downhill. But whatever. We're gonna work with what we got for now. And so how are we gonna do that? We are going to go and find oh yeah, okay, we're gonna, so first things first, let's go ahead and update the README file with the like things we on the generate health insurance, appeals, early work. Actually, pretty much, we can copy all of this, and then we can get rid of Olive. Great. Okay. And there we go. And we'll replace mistral find out with the name of the thing that we did, which is going to be, we're going to have this be the V6 no, the V0.3 version, I think. Huggingface.co. Totally legit code. Did we make an 0.3? We did. Okay, so this is going to be, yeah. Yep. And then we're going to go ahead and, did we already clone it? We did, okay. And so what we're going to do is we're going to copy mistral find out Jan 21 PM. Yeah. I don't think we need the runs directory, but that's all right. Tokenizer.model file. Tokenizer config.json, that's a kilobyte. No, doesn't need to be a large file. Git add star. Yep. And we'll make an initial model commit in just a minute. While this is going, the other thing that I'm doing is, there we go. Cool. This looks like we've got the desired origin 2. I'm not super sure. Origin 2. Okay, cool. So great news. Now we have an 0.3 version of our model pushed to GitHub. Let's, not GitHub, sorry, Hugging Face. Let's go take a look at this. No. This does not have any of the files. Oh wait, no, I'm looking at the wrong. Yeah, okay, there we go. Now we do a git push. And okay, we're gonna have to change our config. And there is like just think it's I think it's this. I don't know. Okay, yeah, we'll see if that's right. And in the meantime, I will look up their password git deprecation warning, and we can see what we see. Okay. Actually, okay, so I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say based on the fact this is, you know, just going along, it is probably correct. So many. This is the one. There we go. So yeah, so we're pushing reasonable amounts of data, but this is going to take a while. So, yeah. What else do we do? Okay. Other thing that we're going to do here is over in health insurance, LLM. Take a look at serve cube. YAML. That looks right. What else do we need to do? Oh, we're gonna want to update the client app to query the new model. Now, like, if we were like a fancy place, we'd do like a nice proper cutover, but we're not, and there's no real users of the site just yet, so it's fine. Ooh, yeah, okay. What are we gonna do here? Git add. Model version querying. What else did we change? Oh, right. Oh, this is still broken until I can get to the data center. So I need to go and turn on a machine down in the data center. Normally you can just message them to turn it on, but like this is, well, actually, you know what? Let's see if I've asked them to do this before. Okay, yeah, I have. Support at he.net. Turn on Kate's worker NV1. Not a rush, but left it turned off on my last visit. So I'm just writing an email to the support folks at the data center. It's in the front of the rack on one of the shelves. That's an AGX. The power, just an AGX. Yeah, okay. Well, let's hit send, and maybe they'll be able to turn it on. And if not, I can go deal with that next time I'm in the data center. But if they can turn it on now, then I can. Yeah. 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 I can go from there. Then, sorry, yeah. So if they can turn it on, then we can start building the ARM x86 combined containers again. which I'd really rather do. But you know, that's who knows. Cute. What else would we do? Arena is running not at full speed, obviously. I wish there was a status message with this git push. Like, as it stands, all I've got is like we got a fair amount of IP traffic going, so it's probably doing a push, but also like I don't know. Well, yeah. Let's go PSAUX. Grab. Yeah. Is it doing things? Oh, I've got. Well, okay, yeah. This looks like it's pushing something to CloudFront. And so CloudFront is probably the people. So yeah, it's probably fine. Okay. Let's see here. What else would we need to do? Well, the other thing that I need to do, it's not directly related to this, it's like related to how we have the resources to do this, is let's see. I want to see if yeah, it does look like it's being filtered by upstream. Maybe. Just guessing. Yeah, well, not just guessing. Yeah, well. Cars. Lots of cars. Right. This is all there. Oh, I guess the other peer that I want to see if it's going out through would be Edu. Well, I guess. Oh, let's find Edu. Yeah. Looks like the right outputs. I don't. What is this BGP origin flag? I don't know it. I should. Ah, here we go. execute origin. The first bit, execute origin attribute. Well, whatever. Okay, so these are all the like very reasonable. So yeah, bad. These look like the peers the ones that I want to announce. Well, actually, I guess the other one that I care. Well, yeah, whatever. That's good enough. Oh, the other thing that we can do. Let's back up. No, yeah, we're good. Okay. The other thing to do, very important, is turn off the cloud instance that we trained our model on. And that's because that's costing $2.50 or so an hour. Terminate. Yep. Erase data on instance. Terminate. Cool. Well, that ooh, power flicker in here. Okay, this git push is going to take a metric forever, so we're just going to wrap up now. Thanks for joining. Sorry this has taken so many iterations. I'll be back soon, and we'll try out the new model in production. Have a good one, y'all. Don't